Hey people, a few vids back I picked this G55 Multi-Lock 7x7 and they were just about giving them away on eBay, so I went and got another one. Something like 4 days shipping from Israel, and I was going to try and pick this one right up out of the pack if I could. Give it a shot anyway. You can see the Hebrew writing on there. I made a mistake last time and called it Arabic. It would appear this has a couple of zero cuts on it too, so should be interesting. I go ahead and go in with my Sparrows double end tension wrench and just a standard Gosso dimple pick. Okay, I got a false set. Shallow false, that is. 2-pin set. 3-pin set. 4-pin set. A 5-pin set. And just got to seek out the last spool. Kind of tricky to get under that one. And I dropped a pin. The zero cuts are proving a little more difficult than I anticipated. there we go. That was pretty tough there with the 2 0 cuts. Anyway, yeah, so there it is. Multi-Lock 7x7 G55, picked straight out of the pack, complete with Hebrew writing on it. So peace as always. Bust me down a rating if you enjoyed that. Don't break the law. Thank you, Sparrows, for the support. Check out key picking, and until next time, have fun.